Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 US-based healthcare and insurance companies that are currently hiring for remote roles. I'll explain what each company does, the types of remote positions available, general requirements, and how to apply directly through official career pages. These roles may be full-time, part-time, or contract, depending on the employer, so always review the job listing carefully. Before we begin, please like this video, share, and subscribe if you're new. Let's dive in. Healthcare and insurance companies in the United States continue to expand remote hiring, especially for non-clinical roles. Many of these positions focus on customer support, scheduling, claims processing, care coordination, and administrative assistance. While clinical licenses are required for some roles, many role positions are non-clinical and focus on communication, organization, and customer interaction. The first company is United Health Group. United Health Group is one of the largest healthcare and insurance organizations in the United States, operating through brands such as United Healthcare and Optum. This is United Health Group website, and to work for them, you're going to click on careers pages and click on find your next job. Then you can be able to select using keyword, business, category, job number, job level, remote. So for those of you who are outside the United States, you want to click on remote so that you can see remote opportunities. All right. That is just how it is. The website is easy to navigate. They have jobs available right now. If you're into this job category, then you can apply clinical professionals, corporate and business operations, customer service and support, early careers, sales and account management, technology and data. The company frequently hires for remote roles, including customer service representatives, care coordinators, claims support, and administrative positions. Requirements vary by role, but often include strong communication skills, basic computer proficiency, and the ability to work scheduled hours. Some roles may require US work authorization or residency, depending on the position. Applications are submitted directly through United Health Group's official careers page. The second company is CVS Health. CVS Health is a US-based healthcare company that operates pharmacies, clinics, and insurance services through Aetna. CVS Health regularly hires remote employees for roles such as customer service, member support, pharmacy assistance, and care navigation. The website is cvshealth.com, and this is their website. Easy to navigate. To find a job, you're going to click on their careers page here, and then you can search job by job title or location. So you want to be targeting remote jobs if you're outside the United States. Many of these positions are non-clinical and focus on supporting patients and members through phone or digital communication. Eligibility requirements vary by role and department. All applications are completed through CVS Health official careers page. The third company is Humana. Humana is a US-based health insurance company that focuses on individual, Medicare, and employer-sponsored plans. The company hires remote staff for roles such as customer care specialists, enrollment support, and administrative coordinators. These roles often involve assisting members with benefits questions, claims information, and plan navigation. Some roles are local specific, so applicants should carefully review eligibility requirements before applying. This is Humana. The website is humana.com. To find a job, go to their careers pages as well. All these companies mentioned here, you need to go to their careers pages. to do your job search. Join us and turn your passion into impact. In any role, you will contribute to their impact on the health of each person, each community, the healthcare system, and the environment. You can search using your job title and location. Be the first to apply. These are jobs available right now. So you want to go for remote if you're outside these locations. You can explore all careers. They have career in administrative and support services, corporate, medical assistance, advanced practitioner provider, human resources, nurse aid, clinical support, internship, nursing, occupational therapy, pharmacy, sales, physician, speech language pathology, technology and digital analytics, social worker, physical therapy, medical assistant. Applications are submitted directly through the Humana official careers page. The first company is Cigna Group. Cigna is a global health services company headquartered in the United States, offering health insurance and related services. Cigna hires for remote roles including customer service, claims processing, clinical support coordination, and operations assistance. And for Cigna Group, this is their website as well. To find a job on this website, you click on careers pages like this. You will then be able to start your job search using your location or job title. So if you're outside the United States, you can be targeting customer service, remote job. All right. I'm not guaranteeing that you find a job here, but there's no harm in trial. So for their job categories, they have 191 jobs in technology, project and program management 30, medical and pharmacy 125, operations 20, sales and marketing 63, admin and corporate services 15, customer service and claims 40, legal 7, finance 39, human resources 5. Many positions emphasize confidentiality, accuracy, and strong communication skills. Applicants should note that healthcare roles often involve background checks and compliance training. Applications are submitted through Cigna's official careers page. The fifth company is Anthem, now known as Elevance Health. Elevance Health is a major U.S. health benefits company that hires remote workers across customer service, care coordination, and administrative functions. Remote roles may involve assisting members, providers, or internal teams through digital platforms and phone support. Requirements vary by role, and some positions may require prior experience in healthcare or insurance environments. Applications are also submitted directly through the company's official careers website. The last one is Anthem, and the website is anthem.com. This is their website. It's very easy to navigate. These are legit platforms that hire people to work. Some jobs are remote, while some you need to be in the physical location. So to find a job here, you're going to look for their careers page. You're going to look for their careers page. You see explore our careers here. Then you search by keywords or location. All right, account advisor. Search using the keyword state, city, and they have amazing job opportunities right now for you to apply. Look, all these jobs are live. You can apply to them. This one is administrative assistant, PRN, Paragon Infusion Centers. It was posted on the 13th of January 2026 and it will expire on 31st January 2026. Please note that I'm not affiliated with any of these companies and hiring decisions are made solely by the employers. Always apply through official career pages, carefully review job descriptions, and confirm location and eligibility requirements before submitting an application. If you find this type of information helpful, consider subscribing for more updates on remote roles and companies currently hiring remote roles. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. I'll see you in the next video.